maintain it, stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get in the pack and keep it open. Big dribble stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria Naki'ya, and I'm back with another video. It is currently 9:02 and I have a few things on my to-do list that I want to get done, so I'm about to read those to you guys. And here's the screen just so y'all can see it. But y'all, I still need to eat some breakfast, so I'm probably gonna do that first before I do anything. Probably just gonna eat some waffles and peanut butter because I want to eat something quick. Because I kind of want to like get a move on. I wanted to get started with like my day and my morning earlier than this. I wanted to get up at like 8, 7 and get started, but I didn't. So yeah, I also need to go to the hair store to go get some more hair scissors, but I think I'm gonna do that later, like after I finish stuff around the house. Maybe, I don't know yet how I'm gonna end up doing it, but I think I'm gonna do that after I finish around the house. I also need to clean my room a little bit. It's actually not too bad, but I do need to put up those clothes, and I need to vacuum and stuff like that and just straighten up a little bit. I need to take a shower and do my skincare, so I think I'm gonna show you guys like a little shower routine or something. I don't know yet, but I don't have my Bible with me. I was gonna do like a little Bible study, but I don't have my actual Bible with me, but I do have the Bible app on my phone. Probably just gonna like kind of like meditate and really like focus on like a few verses or something, and really just journal and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. And I also need to do laundry today, but I'll have to take that to my grandma's house, so I'm gonna end up doing that whenever I go to her house. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff like that, and then I'm about to go eat because I'm hungry. So yeah, y'all, let's get started on this productive morning, shall we say, because let's hope I get everything done and out the way before 12:30. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently in the kitchen about to fix some blueberry waffles. This is what we eating, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to pop these bad boys open. Now I'm about to make some chocolate milk because we really don't even have no more juice. The water is not cold because it's over there. So what else am I gonna drink? Because I don't want any room temperature water. So I'm gonna drink some chocolate milk, because if you know me, then you know I like chocolate milk. Like, me and chocolate milk go way back. It's too good, literally. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to eat my breakfast or whatever. I had to revert back to water because the milk was spoiled, and I didn't really even look at that until I made the milk. So yeah, but here I got me some peanut butter waffles. They're really good and you should try them. Okay, y'all, so I just got done eating and now I'm back in the room about to do kind of like some Bible study and some like journaling. I don't have my Bible with me, like I said, but I'll use the Bible app on my phone for reference to find a few scriptures to go from. But I'm about to journal, so yeah, y'all. Let's get into it. Let's set the mood straight for today.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and I'ma wait upon the giver and deliver like a diva. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her high.
Okay, y'all, so it is currently 10:37, and now I'm about to go through my to-do list and see what all I have done. I have journaled and ate breakfast, so now I'm about to start on my room, because why not? I'm already in here. So yeah, I'm about to start cleaning up my room, y'all. That's next on the agenda. After I finish my room, I'm probably gonna go take a shower and get ready to leave the house and stuff like that. So yeah, let me show y'all my room first, because yeah. Okay, yeah, so not too much, but y'all already see I got 2 baskets over here that need to be hung up, and I have things all over the floor. Most of that stuff over there needs to go in my hair room. Got stuff all over my bed, y'all. And I need to straighten up this area, my dresser. Y'all, my purse rack fell. Like, it was hanging up right here. My purse rack fell. So all my purses are currently on the floor over here because, yeah. And as y'all can see, I got way too many purses. Like, yeah. Why do I got so many purses? Anyways, y'all, I'm finna start cleaning up so I can hurry up.
She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight nigga in this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here. She tried to flight nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than casket. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag out a bitch, I'm a beggar. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 million in the middle of my hood. Taking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard to sense me, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, championship, bitches gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas, look at the key. Heard it, I found them, I'm making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, this off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bando, spit on the crib. Well, look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no funny, no matter what I'm in. I have touch an ass, you don't think you Korean. You fucking me good, but you definitely win.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, that ain't scream. Yeah, hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all just seen, I just finished cleaning my room, so now I'm about to go take a shower and do my skincare routine and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go take a shower real quick because I'm so ready after I just did all of that. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I just got out the shower. I'm about to do my skincare routine, brush my hair up, and put on my lotion and smell goods for the day, and put on some clothes, and that's really it, y'all. So yeah, let's get into the skincare routine, okay? So first off, I'm going to use my Neutrogena bar soap. Y'all already know I stick by this, and this is really all I use for real. This soap is really good. I've been using it for a little minute. This is really all I use. I switch it up a little from here and there with CeraVe and Panoxyl, but this is what I mainly use, y'all.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find.
Okay, you guys, so I am done. I just finished putting on my clothes and just putting on some perfume. I really just got this set on. This skin set with the tights and my Crocs. And that's really it, y'all. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tap that bell to be notified when I upload. And make sure y'all go tune into my most recent videos and also my next videos. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.